Plunge into the inky, pressure-filled abyss where sunlight dares not tread, and you might encounter a true leviathan of the deep. Not a monster, but a gentle giant. The colossal squid, with eyes the size of dinner plates, and the ethereal blue whale, a being so immense its heart is the size of a small car, rule this vast, watery realm. These are the titans of the ocean, moving with a slow, majestic grace that belies their staggering power. Cats were domesticated around 9,000 years ago, likely in the Middle East. Cats are known for being independent, but can form strong bonds with humans. Cats purr when they're happy, but also when they're scared or in pain. It may help with healing. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land, reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour. Cheetahs eat mostly small to medium-sized animals like gazelles, impalas, and hares. They hunt during the day, especially early morning or late afternoon. Cheetahs purr, chirp, and hiss, but they don't roar like other big cats. Their long tail acts like a rudder, helping them steer at high speeds. Donkeys are known for their intelligence and cautious nature. They will often pause and assess situations before acting, which sometimes is mistaken for stubbornness. Donkeys belong to the species Equus africanus asinus, a domesticated member of the horse family. Donkeys are famous for their bray, a loud, distinctive hee-haw. Horses have been domesticated for about 5,000 to 6,000 years and were crucial for transportation, farming, and warfare. Horses have large eyes on the sides of their heads, giving them almost 360-degree vision. Leopards are incredibly adaptable. They live in forests, savannas, mountains, deserts, and even urban edges across Africa and parts of Asia. Leopards have a beautiful golden yellow coat with rosette-shaped spots that help with camouflage. Zebras are about 4 to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 400 to 850 pounds, 180 to 385 kilograms. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems, often led by a dominant male stallion. Zebras need to drink water daily. Goats were one of the first animals domesticated by humans, originally in the Middle East. Goats can climb steep rocks and trees. Mountain goats live in extreme alpine environments. Goats eat grass, hay, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. White tigers are not a different species. They are a genetic variant of the Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris tigris. White tigers are often bred through inbreeding, which can cause health problems like crossed eyes, cleft palates, and scoliosis. White tigers are not albinos. They still have pigmentation in their stripes and eyes. Reindeer can change eye color from gold in summer to blue in winter to adapt to changing light levels. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though females are smaller. Up to 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers, annually. Moose live in northern forests of North America, Europe, and Asia, especially Canada, Alaska, Scandinavia, and Russia. Moose have long legs, a humped back, a long face, and a flap of skin under the throat called a dewlap or bell. Sloths spend most of their lives in trees, rarely coming down. They eat, sleep, and even give birth in the treetops. Sloths are found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, where they blend perfectly with the treetops. Sloths survive on very little food and energy. Sheep can recognize and remember up to 50 individual sheep and human faces for years. They use this ability to maintain complex social relationships within their flock. When sick, sheep will selectively eat specific plants that contain medicinal properties to treat their ailments. Owls have fixed tubular eyes. They can't move them, but can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Owls have long legs hidden under feathers. What looks like their knees are actually ankles. Owls appear in mythology as symbols of wisdom, Greek Athena, or omens of death, Roman folklore. Chicks hatch after about 21 days of incubation in a warm, humid environment, either under a broody hen or in an incubator. Chicks make soft peep noises to communicate with their mother and siblings, expressing warmth, hunger, or distress. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. Up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms of food daily. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember water sources, friends, and dangers for years. Elephants live around 60 to 70 years in the wild. Cows have a unique four-chambered stomach that helps digest tough plant material like grass. Cows are pregnant for about 9 months. Usually, one calf is born, which can stand and walk within an hour. Turtles generally live in or near water and have webbed feet or flippers, while tortoises live on land and have sturdy elephant-like legs. Turtles are ectothermic, cold-blooded, so they depend on the environment to regulate their body temperature. Turtles don't have teeth. Instead, they have strong, beak-like mouths to bite, tear, or grind food. Turtles generally live in or near water and have webbed feet or flippers. Ducks belong to the family Anatidae, which also includes swans and geese. There are over 120 species of ducks. Ducks have webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers, colorful feathers, while females are usually brown for camouflage. Ducks eat plants, insects, small fish, and crustaceans. Many ducks migrate long distances to find warmer places during winter. Ducks belong to the family Anatidae. Crocodiles keep ecosystems balanced by controlling populations of fish and other animals. Crocodiles have a nictitating membrane that protects their eyes underwater while allowing them to see. Crocodiles can grow from about 5 feet (1.5 meters) to over 23 feet (7 meters), depending on the species. Crocodiles have existed for over 200 million years, meaning they lived alongside dinosaurs. Dolphins are known for their exceptional intelligence, including problem-solving, communication, and even self-awareness. Dolphins are marine mammals. They breathe air through lungs, give live birth, and nurse their young. Dolphins breathe through a blowhole on top of their heads and must come to the surface to breathe. These are the titans of the ocean, moving with a slow, majestic grace that belies their staggering power. Their lives a mystery, played out in the silent, dark world they call home. Now journey to the sun-drenched savannas and dense jungles, where a different kind of magic unfolds at your feet. Here, the kings of the wild are often measured in inches, not feet.